Alright, hello guys. I want to show you how we design this logo, a very simple logo like this. Alright, a very beautiful design logo like this. Okay, let me show you the one that has no background as well. Take a look at this. I'll remove background from this. You can see this one, right? Background removed. The other one, there was background there, but this one background removed. So I was able to do three forms of this. All right, so let me quickly I actually use Canva Pro to design this. Okay, letter design like this. So I want to show you how we got this done, because you got to use this to identify your brand. Okay, you cannot actually having a company or a business without a logo. All right, a logo like this. So you must have a logo. Now you will almost not exactly be like this, but you must see how you can design a logo for yourself, and maybe along the line you can also design for others and make money from it. So follow me closely and let me show you how we get it done. Is that okay? Okay, so we'll go to Canva. Let's go to Canva. We'll go to Canva. I have the app. Canva Pro is what I have. Okay, so you can also go get Canva Pro if you want to. All right, so this is how we're going to get it done. All right, so sorry, follow me closely. Okay, so guys, what we do is we come down this way and look for logo. All right, look for logo. This is logo template, so just click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see some templates. Okay, Canva already have some templates for you. You can use them. If you don't want to use them, you start from the scratch. Okay, these are templates for you to use, but if you don't want to use them, let's start from the scratch. Here, click on this, create blank. Click on that. All right, so when you do this, the next you're going to do is you're going to go okay, let this come up, right? Just drag this down. Okay, so what you do is go get a text. Okay, so let's go for text. You can see why I click text, right? Text, and then let's look for something like okay, I have to come to text, and then let's use any of these templates, okay, to get it done. So I'm going to go to heading. All right, click on that, and then here I'm going to type in D, and then I'm going to type in my company name called Dwoco. All right, I needed that format, so I'm going to keep this one somewhere here. All right, and then I'm going to go for another letter again here. This time around I'm going to type in copy. All right, copy like this. Okay, so I'm going to position them, bring them together like this. Okay, so something of this nature. Okay, all right, something like that. Then here, okay, now I'm going to go to under element, and then let's look for, remove this one, and then let's get a background. Okay, let's go get a background. So I'm going to use this background. Let me use this one. Okay, use that, and then spread it across the whole of the right top like this. Spread it across. Okay, something of this nature. Now I'm giving it a background. Okay, okay, something like this. Okay, so let's turn that to white. Click on the color, and then click on white. Okay, it has turned to white. And then what we're going to do now is I'm going to go for another background again, the same kind of background. This time around only on the copy, like this. Okay, and I'm going to turn that to white also. Okay, should I turn that to, let me see what I did. Okay, so if I come to what I did here before, so that I can follow that pattern. Okay, all right, so if you want to do this pattern, all right, you can see what I did, right? Red, white. Okay, so okay, very good. So what I'm going to do is take this to red, take this color to the first right up to red, click on that, turn it to red. All right, very good. And then this other one here, okay, I'm going to turn this to white, to red, to white now. Okay, let me turn this background to white, yeah, let me turn it to white, and then turn this right up to red. Okay, turn it to red. So that is it. Then position it very well. Okay, so I've gotten two. If you observe what I did now, I got two background, one for the whole of the Dwoco, I mean the whole of the logo, then one for only copy alone. All right, so that's what I've done. And then maybe I can decide to add a line. Okay, let me show you. Let me turn that to another color so that you can see the background very well. I'm going to change it later, right? Okay, so let me bring in something like this and form a line with this, a tiny line with this. Okay, form a tiny line like this. Okay, something like this, and then we have this format. Okay, something like this. Okay, I think I should make this stuff bigger first. Okay, let me expand this stuff. Okay, yeah, something like that. This one, let me remove it. I'm coming back to you guys. I don't want this video to be too long. All right, so this is the line, right? This line, I'm going to turn it to red. Okay, I'm going to turn this to red now. Position it very well, and then let's turn it to red. Okay, so this color now, click on color here, turn it to red. Okay, that is it, and then extend it a bit. Okay, or just reduce the bit like this. Make sure it's not that thick, it's tiny stuff. Okay, then this one, let's extend it out a bit. Okay, so I'm going to come down here. I'm going to create a tag now. Click on text again, and then let's use this text stuff, and then let's type words. Okay, that sells. Word that sells. That sell. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, come over here, click on bold, letter B, then click on bold, then turn it to slants. Very good. Then you're going to come bring it here down here and position it. Now I'm going to turn, okay, yeah, it's actually red I wanted. Okay, so all right, this, if you look, observe now, there's a line, okay, somewhere here. Now if you don't position it, see, if you move it around, you're going to see some lines. So make sure you position it very well. Let it be at the center properly, right? Very good. Words that sells. Okay, so now what we're going to do next is this white, this black stuff. Now I want to turn it to white now. Okay, so we're going to turn it to white. Very good. So that is it, we have gotten it done. All right, so what we're going to do now, come over here, click on this, and then download it in PNG format. PNG. Okay, if you want to turn it to other one, you can use JPEG. Okay, but I don't need JPEG, I'm using PNG because I'm going to use a print. All right, so click on download here. All right, you are done. Click on download. The next I'm going to do is to come to this website called remove.bg. okay, you already remove bg. All right, so click on upload so that we can remove the background. All right, click on this and then remove the background. Okay, I've removed the background. Sorry about that. Let's see. So the next I'm going to do is to go to Photopea, this website. Go to photopea.com. all right, if you don't have it, if you cannot get that, go to your Play Store and download it. All right, then let's go to templates. Click on templates, and then we're going to mock that particular logo so that it can come out very beautifully. Right, so we have a lot of mocks here. Okay, I'm going to use any of this mock. Let me search for the one I want, and I'm going to come back to you. All right, guys, I'm using this one. Okay, so let's click on that. Click on this line, click on it once, then allow it to load. It has been registered here, so click on this layer button once, and then click on this. You see where you have your logo here, right? Click on this one twice, 2 times, and then click on this eye once, and then come back and click on the layer again once, and then come over to file, click on file, and then go and click on open and place. Then you can go get the file you want to use. All right, so you come over here. This is what I want to use, right? This is the one where I remove the background. So click on it once, and then position it. You can see it's transparent, there is no background. Right, so position it very well. Hold on, let me do that. What I'm going to do is click on this file again, and then come and click save smart object. Click on that once, then allow it to, you can see object loaded. So you're going to come over here, click on this once, and allow the magic to take place. Okay, it's going to turn to something else. Watch out. Okay, this is it. So we've gotten this is what we've gotten out of that. All right, so you're going to come over here, click on the file again, and then click on exports. Then we're going to click on JPEG. You can use another template. It's going to be more beautiful than this if you use other templates. So what we're going to do is click on this to save, and then we are done. Guys, like this video and make sure that you subscribe to our channel. All right, and they're going to get some other things coming for you. Okay, God bless you. I'll see you in our next class. Bye for now.